Welcome to our video on how to take care of your lungs naturally. If you're someone who's looking to improve their overall health, then this is the video for you. We all know that when excess mucus is present, it can cause difficulty breathing and feelings of shortness of breath, which can be very discomforting. But did you know that there are several natural herbs that studies have shown to contain potent therapeutic properties that are beneficial for your lungs and respiratory system? In this video, we're going to talk about the top 8 herbs that can clear up your lungs and make breathing easier. So sit back, relax, and be sure to watch until the end because there's one herb that may surprise you. But before we get started, just a quick reminder, we are not doctors, and this video is for informational purposes only. It's always best to check with your doctor before trying any new remedies. First on our list is ginseng. This herb has been used in traditional Asian medicine for centuries and is known for its potent antioxidant properties, which fight inflammation in the body. Studies have found that ginseng is beneficial for those with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, which is the third leading cause of death in the United States. Although there is no cure for COPD, traditional medicine and herbs like ginseng can provide relief for some of its symptoms. Next up is OSHA root. The roots of this herb contain several components that can provide a boost to your lungs and respiratory system. Specifically, it helps increase blood circulation to the lungs, which improves oxygenation throughout the entire body. OSHA root also has antihistamine properties, which work well for soothing sinus infections and other respiratory illnesses. At number 3 is eucalyptus. The leaves of a eucalyptus tree can be distilled and diluted into an essential oil, which can be used for medicinal purposes such as treating sinus congestion, common colds, fever, and other respiratory ailments. Eucalyptus contains a component called cineol, which works as an expectorant that eases coughs and aids in the removal of secretions. Coming in at number 4 is elderberry. This plant is known for its antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, making it great for boosting the immune system and treating colds, infections, and viruses. Elderberry is also referred to as sambucus and is most commonly consumed in the form of a cough syrup. Number 5 on our list is astragalus. This herb became popular in Chinese medicine and is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory components. Studies have found that astragalus can boost the body's resistance to infections and increase immune responses. Next up is horehound, which is actually a common ingredient in cough drops and cough syrup because of its natural properties that work as an expectorant to aid in the removal of mucus and secretions from the lungs. The horehound leaf comes from the mint family and can be used to make your own cough syrup. At number 7 is bergamot, a citrus tree that is known for relieving feelings of stress and anxiety. It contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties that benefit the respiratory system. Bergamot essential oil can be used in aromatherapy and works as an expectorant to clear nasal passages, fight congestion, and provide relief for chronic coughing. Last but not least is lavender. Studies have found that lavender may offer benefits for those with COPD because it contains antioxidant properties that work to combat the progression of the disease. Lavender aromas can decrease the production of cortisol, the stress hormone, which causes bronchoconstriction, making it more difficult to breathe. So there you have it, our top 8 herbs for improving lung health and making breathing easier. Which one are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Until next time, take care of your lungs and breathe easy.